In the event that you're searching for Algorand cost expectations estimate for 2024, 2025, 2030 and need to know where the costs of Algorand Algo will go from here on out, we will investigate the previous costs of Algorand Algo and will figure out what specialists are talking about its future cost activities. Kindly remember that you want to take this expectation and each and every forecast with the goal that this is just the idea of some market master experts. Also, anticipating something so wonderful is totally incomprehensible. Be that as it may, we will make an honest effort. We should begin. Algorand outline. Algorand is a public blockchain stage that was made to address versatility and security issues in other blockchain frameworks. It was established by Silvio Micali, a Turing Grant-winning PC researcher, and sent off in June 2019. The Algorand group comprises of experienced experts from different businesses, including blockchain, money, and online protection. A few critical elements of Algorand include versatility. Algorand utilizes an agreement calculation called unadulterated verification of stake, PPOS, that permits it to handle exchanges at a high throughput, making it reasonable for huge scope applications. Security. Algorand is intended to be secure against assaults by malevolent entertainers, incorporating those with critical processing power. Decentralization. Algorand is a decentralized stage, meaning it isn't constrained by any single substance. This guarantees that the organization is impervious to oversight and misrepresentation. Algorand has various likely applications, including store network, the board, advanced personality, resource following, and decentralized finance DeFi. It has likewise been utilized as the basic stage for the improvement of various decentralized applications dApps in these and different regions. As per the most recent information accumulated, the ongoing cost of Algorand is $0.1477 and Algo is presently positioned #63 in the whole crypto biological system. The flow supply of Algorand is 8,182,207,447 with a market cap of $1,208,738,780. With an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap, the Algorand's cost has shown a decent increment of 2.99% as of now. From most recent 7 days, the Algo was in great vertical pattern and expanded by 12.49%. Algorand has shown areas of strength for exceptionally of late, and this could be decent and open door to dive right in and contribute. Think about the market capitalization of Algorand and other top digital forms of money with our natural instrument. Perceive how the absolute worth of every digital currency is flowing inventory piles facing others, and gain experiences into the market elements. Select 2 cryptographic forms of money to analyze their market cap and envision the outcomes. We foresee future Algorand cost expectations Algo estimate by applying profound computerized reasoning helped specialized investigation on the past value information of Algorand. We give a valiant effort to gather most extreme verifiable information for the Algo coin, which incorporate various boundaries like past value, Algorand market cap, Algorand volume, and hardly any more. Assuming you are hoping to put resources into computerized cryptographic forms of money and need great profit from your speculations, make a point to peruse our forecasts. Algorand value forecast outline. There is potential for Algorand cost to encounter a critical flood, coming to as high as $0.2968 toward the finish of 2025. The typical extended cost for Algorand in 2030 is supposed to be $1.54, with expected change somewhere in the range of $1.50 and $1.76. The cost of one Algo would reach as high as $87.16 by 2040. With the ongoing cost of $0.1477, Algorand holds its ground on the lookout. Long-haul investigation proposes that Algorand cost might actually flood to $101.50 by 2050, with an expected reach somewhere in the range of $96.07 and $113.93. As per our profound specialized examination on past value information of Algo, in 2024 the cost of Algorand is anticipated to reach at the very least degree of $0.1696. The Algo cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $0.1948 with the typical exchanging cost of $0.1769. Algorand Value Forecast 2025. The cost of Algorand is anticipated to reach at any rate worth of $0.2331 in 2025. The Algorand cost could arrive at a most extreme worth of $0.2968, with a typical exchanging cost of $0.2401 all through 2025. Algo value estimate for 2026. The cost of one Algorand is supposed to reach at any rate level of $0.3326 in 2026. The Algo cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $0.4055, with a typical cost of $0.3422 all through 2026. Algorand Algo value expectation 2027. Algorand cost is figured to arrive at a most reduced conceivable degree of $0.485 in 2027. According to our discoveries, the Algo cost could arrive at a greatest conceivable degree of $0.5888, with a typical figure cost of $0.5021. Algorand value forecast 2028. Algorand cost is estimate to arrive at a most reduced conceivable degree of $0.7115 in 2028. According to our discoveries, the Algo cost could arrive at a most extreme conceivable degree of $0.8492, with a typical figure cost of $0.7366. Algorand value forecast 2029. The cost of Algorand is anticipated to reach at any rate level of $1.04 in 2029. The Algorand cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $1.25, with the typical cost of $1.07 all through 2029. Algorand Algo value expectation 2030. According to the figure cost and specialized examination, in 2030 the cost of Algorand is anticipated to reach at any rate level of $1.50. The Algo cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $1.76, with a typical exchanging cost of $1.54. Algorand value estimate 2031. The cost of Algorand is anticipated to reach at any rate worth of $2.10 in 2031. The Algorand cost could arrive at a greatest worth of $2.60, with a typical exchanging cost of $2.17 all through 2031. Algorand Algo value forecast 2032. As per our profound specialized examination on past value information of Algo, in 2032 the cost of Algorand is gauged to be at around a base worth of $3.02. The Algorand value worth can arrive at a limit of $3.70, with a typical exchanging worth of $3.13 in ESD. Algorand value forecast 2033. According to the gauge and specialized examination, in 2033 the cost of Algorand is supposed to reach at any rate value worth of $4.33. The Algo cost can arrive at a most extreme value worth of $5.28, with a typical worth of $4.46. Algorand value estimate 2040. Associations and joint efforts with laid-out organizations or ventures can contribute fundamentally to standard acknowledgement. In view of our Algorand cost expectation in 2040, the base anticipated cost is $71.03 and can reach as high as $87.16 for the year